I, Nick, take you, Brittany,
I, Nick, take you, Brittany,
to be my lawfully wedded wife,
to be my lawfully wedded wife,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poor,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
I, Brittany, take you, Nick,
I, Brittany, take you, Nick,
to be my lawfully wedded husband,
to be my lawfully wedded husband,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poor,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
for sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
I give you this ring as a sign of my love and faithfulness.
I give you this ring as a sign of my love and
I
faithfulness.
give you this ring as a sign of my love and faithfulness.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. It is my pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Nicholas Cicero.
I gotta tell you one thing. Through all the crap this man's been through, he's got the biggest heart I've ever seen. So I was shocked that Brittany liked him. So to paint the picture for you, I'm in John's basement, Mama Badowski, and it was awesome. We'd go there, we'd have a few sodas, and Nick came down one night. It was one of many nights. He came down, he goes, man, I just went on this date with this beautiful girl. She's gorgeous, she's awesome, she's the one. I'm like, yeah, whatever. And then he wouldn't shut up about it. So weeks, months. All right, you still with Brittany? Yeah. She's awesome, she's great. Take her to the kissing bridge? Yeah, Naperville. So then I finally get to meet Brittany. This is months later. And I get to meet her mojo. She's awesome. She's got a smile of gold. She's beautiful. And she's so kind. She's so kind. She's got a really good heart. And after meeting her family, I can tell why. So here we are. We got two people. They love each other very much. I couldn't be more happy. I could be more happy for Brittany. I couldn't be more happy for Nick. Seeing them smile today, as many pictures as we took, a lot of smiles, it was awesome. It was beautiful. So all I want to say is, I love you both. I'm so happy to know you both. I'm so happy to get to meet everybody here. I love you, Nick. I love you, Brittany, and I want to raise a toast for them. Congratulations.
The venue, the dress, the centerpieces, the music, the food, you get the idea. And at the end of the day, none of these things matter. Absolutely none of them. But all that really matters is two things. First, the love that you have for one another, which is so very apparent today and every day. And secondly, the love that the people in this room have for you. And looking at the company tonight, you both should consider yourselves very lucky. So if you can please raise your glass. Brittany and Nick, as you begin this next chapter together, please remember not to worry about all the little things, but focus on the big things, because those are all that really matter to the bride and groom.